Now that we have the newsletter page looking roughly how we want it to do, we're going to fine tune it. And to do this, I'm going to switch and not use a details view to display the data. We're going to use something called a form view, which displays just one record and then it's all templates. So kind of like the list view, we have to put all the content in here, because what I really want to avoid is all the lines and things that the details view puts in there. The details view makes it look like a table. I want it to look like a page, not a table. So we'll drop the form view on here. We'll switch to design view. Then I'll go here, choose the data source, and with the data source, I'm going to choose access data source 1. So I'll use the same data source that we were using with the details view. That's fine. And then what I need to do is come in here and put the item template. And then inside the item template, we'll put everything we want to display. So I actually, we could just move this whole runner soul newsletter or just the words newsletter inside here. In fact, let's do that. Put it inside the item template. And I'm just going to pretty this up here for a little bit. Fix my indentation. And then I'm going to get rid of the runner soul on here and just say newsletter. And then right underneath that, I'll put the date. And so I'm just going to come down here and grab this label from the details view, where we display the date, and I'll put that up here. And I'm going to actually put this right inside the H2. And then the next thing we'll put is, let's grab the text, which is the content. And again, I'm just going to copy this label. And then paste that in a paragraph up in here. And then the only other thing I really want is the picture. And to get the picture, we'll do just like we did on the products page. And we will, let's find the products page on here. Grab this little bit of code. From our item template. So grab this and then paste it into our newsletter. And I'm going to paste it before the text. It's just the way that the image align works. And again, this calls a little bit VB code. So I want to go to my newsletter VB code. Oops. And I actually want to grab this from the products page, this function. So I'll grab that and then I'll go back to my newsletter VB code. Oops, looks I already got it pasted in there. Okay, so let's test this out. Let's go to the newsletter, save everything. Then I've already got it opened up here, and we'll see. Let's go to the newsletter page. Oh, I need to fix my VB code because over here I'm referring to image that I had in the products page in newsletter. I called that field image 1. So I think that should take care of it. Let's give that a shot. Oh, I might need to save this again. Yeah. Save the new copy. Sorry about that. Save the changes. Reload the page. And there we go. So you notice here's my form view up here, the newsletter with the date. Here's a bunch of text, the formatting showing up. Here's my picture. So again, I've got to do a little more fine-tuning. I want to fix the padding on this picture. But now I can get rid of the details view that's displaying this content down here. So I'm just going to end it here. I'm just going to go and add some style sheet stuff to change the padding, but I don't want to stretch this tutorial out any longer.